We've simplified the process of adding the code into the header of your WordPress website. Once you've logged into your website dashboard and you have installed and activated the AddStars WordPress plugin, you can configure the plugin by either clicking on the link at the top of the page or clicking Settings and selecting AddStars. This will open the Settings panel. If you recall the code snippet on your AddStars dashboard, simply copy or remember your user ID, which you'll find after the ID equals part of the code snippet. Paste that into the user ID field, click Save, and the AddStars script will be inserted in the head section of your site. Ensure you insert the correct user ID into the user ID field. If you add an incorrect user ID, the AI behind the software won't be able to connect your website to your AddStars dashboard. If this happens, simply re-enter your user ID and click Save.